Hello and welcome to the HGC. My name is Daniel, and today we're going to do 2 more pages on the backyard swing set build. Okay, so on this portion of the build we're going to put in the rock wall and the rock wall support. Fairly simple, straightforward. Get your boards located, put them in order. L1, L2, K3, and then the back support, which is in 3, and then find 2 bags of screws. It'll tell you exactly which ones you need. And you're going to start off with L1, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, L1, L2, K3, and then repeat the process until you got them all the way on. So let's get our screws ready. What?
I copied you.
Are you copying me? Okay.
Okay.
He eats screws.
Ew! You like screws? It looks like a smell in his mouth. Ew! It looks like a smell in his mouth. I just wanted you to put 2 in it. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's happening right now?
Alright, good.
Oh, you have one in your mouth?
It looked like a smell in his mouth. Well, that was loud. I have to check it.
Always make sure you countersink the screws. Just stay in one spot right there.
Oh, okay. They're going
Always
back
make sure you
and forth.
countersink the screws.
Check on the bottom.
Watch out, Krim.
You want to line these up as evenly and as straight as possible.
I'm checking on the bottom. Oh, that's good. What? Good. 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 Baby shark doo doo doo. 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 Baby shark doo doo.
Baby shark.
Mama shark doo doo doo. Mama shark doo doo. Mama shark. Mama shark doo doo doo. Mama shark doo doo. Dada shark doo doo. Dada shark. What's this? What's this for?
Hold on, Krim. I'm trying to figure out what's going on here.
Why do some of them look fatter and some look skinnier?
Well, that's the way it is. You got some that are no holes, but trying to. Okay, 1, 2. I put on 3. Right? Yeah, I did. Okay, so first one was put on, and this is what threw me off. Is we had this one up here. This is the one that was already on. So I put on L1, L2, K3. Now repeat.
L1, L2, and K3.
This one,
There's a squirrel.
we had the L1 on this one, had the holes here on this side, so this time around I'm going to flip it over and start it on this side.
Da-da.
Give me a second, Cram. Oop.
Duh.
I think I'm kind of going out that way a little bit. So I'm going to kind of pull it back a little bit.
That's a loud noise.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, dear. Next, L2.
You're his assistant, Krim. L2.
L1. Yeah.
What one's that?
This, we're back to K3.
K3.
Yeah, there's no extra holes in the middle, so that'll go on any direction you want to put it on. Thank you.
Okay. There you go. I'm helping Grandpa.
Where is our cat?
I'm in a room.
In the room? Huh?
In her room.
In Angie's room?
Her room.
Whose room?
Her room. What's still more to go?
Yep.
That's a long way down.
Yep.
You could make a slide out of that.
Yep. I could. All right, hand me screws.
Here.
1 second.
Do you need any more?
Yep. Just keep handing them to me.
2 more?
Yep.
Wait, show it on me.
Here.
Show it on me. Let's take all the end of the
Something not right here. 1, 2, 3.
What's going on?
L1 to L3.
That's kind of weird.
L1, L2, L3, L1, L2. Not right. L1, L2, K3. L1, L2, K3. L1, L2, K3. Okay. I guess it is right.
That looks like only maybe 3 more left.
Yeah.
Pieces of wood.
Okay. Hand them to me one at a time, sweetie.
Okay. I need more. Do you need any? Tell me what you need, Eddie.
I need them right away.
It's coming from there.
Well, where's butter at?
Give me another one.
I mean, peanut.
Probably it's like I do it face on me. A1, K2, A1, K2. A1, K2, A1, K2. A1, K2. What is this long piece for? Do you need any more?
Yep.
Thank you. What is that big?
Give me 2 more.
Get 2 more ready. 2 more at a time.
One more.
I can't do it 2 at a time. Oh my gosh, it's a...
One more. One more. Give him another one.
Give me another one.
One more. This is the last one.
2 more? Oh, that's it.
That's it.
Oh my word.
Okay, so that's it here.
What is this?
We got
picture?
the board that we started with, K2, that was originally installed. So we went L1, L2, K3, L1, L2, K3, L1, L2, K3, K3. That's what I was getting kind of confused about. I wanted to make certain that I wasn't putting it on wrong because it just seemed weird to me. Alright, so now we got to do the back support that helps keep all the boards together.
How are you going to
So
climb
Renee,
up here?
come around this side, you'll be able to point it up underneath there once I get in there. Okay, so this will be in 3.
And 3.
You'll notice that it's got pre-drilled holes all the way up. Find the 2 holes that are drilled closest to each other on the end, and that will be the top. One will be for the highest board, one will be for the lowest board.
Do you need screws?
Here, hold these.
Do you need screws?
No, I got him.
Okay. Here's some more though.
No, leave those in the bag. Put them
All
back
you're
in the
going to do
bag.
is put this in the middle.
Oh. Oh. This will
Like
make
so.
me scratch.
Be careful.
Now you want to lightly countersink these. You don't want it to go all the way through and wind up poking the kids.
Put it in the bag, crimson the screws.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm doing.
And then just set it on the table. Thank you.
I'm under my playset. I can't believe it. I'm under my playset.
Yep.
I want to hold them.
No, I got
I
them.
want to hold them.
I got them.
I want to hold them.
You could lose them in the grass.
Please.
I got them.
I hold them like this.
No, I got them right now. I got them. Stop. You're...
You're making Grandma drop them. All right. Oop. Let me out there.
I like staying under here.
All right. So that's a rock wall minus the rocks. The rocks will be added on a little bit later.
No.
But that's it for this video for today. That's it for this video for today. Yeah, they always want it done right then and there. Anyway, this video hopefully will interest you if you want to be able to buy one of these. We picked this particular one up at overstock.com. Pointed at me, dear.
I was looking at the slide,
Yeah, I
this
know.
thing.
That's the rock wall part.
Rock
Anyway,
wall, yeah.
you can pick this up at overstock.com. On the first video I have up has the model number and everything. That way you could actually follow along what I do and do it for yourself, as well as add up the time for all of the videos to see exactly how long it'll take you. Now, obviously I put this series up over several days, so Grim, I'm trying to talk. I put this video up over several days, but it will go a lot faster if you are doing it yourself and not trying to video yourself. Meanwhile, stop by the htcgamersclub.com website and make $1 or more donation if you have it to get little ones free repairs of their game systems.
What are you doing?
Stay safe, happy gaming everybody, bye.